With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So here we have the question, and the question says that the amount of DNA per cell remains same during. Okay. So the options are S, G2 and metaphase, G1, G2 M phase, anaphase, telophase, G1 phase, and 1 and 3. So first of all, we will mark the options as 1, 2, 3, and lastly we have 4. Okay, so these are the 4 options given over here. So first of all, if we say, we know that there is a process called mitosis. Okay, now this mitosis process is the process of cell division. What happens? The cell division happens over here. And we know that in this cell division process, from one cell or one parent cell, actually we can say one parent cell get divided into the two identical daughter cells. Okay, two daughter cells, clear? And if this parent cell is diploid, then the two daughter cells will also be diploid cells, clear? And we can say that there are different kind of phases in this particular mitosis, and where we can say that there are interphase, and after that proper mitosis starts with the prophase, then the metaphase, then we find the anaphase and telophase. Okay, so all these are the phases of the mitosis, clear? Now this interphase is itself divided into many parts, and we can say almost the cell spent 80% of the lifespan of the life. Okay, where in this interphase stage, where we find that there is a process or doubling as such, we can say, but here no division takes place. Okay, so we can say that here no division, the cell undergoes no division in this particular phase, but everything keeps on doubling. The DNA of the cell actually duplicates in this phase, and everything get duplicated in this cell. Everything get, or DNA basically get duplicated. Now the question is that in which phase actually it remains constant. So in this phase it does not remain constant. On the other hand, we know that DNA is the part DNA that contains the hereditary, or that contains the genetic information, and which must be present everywhere, so that the body is exact or the same as the parent body. So now this interphase is actually divided into 3 more phases. They are the G1 phase, the G2 phase, and the S phase. Okay, so these are the phases of the interphase, clear? Now in this G1 phase, we can say that the cell growth occurs, and the DNA number remains the same. On the other hand, if we see in the G2 phase, there is a synthesis of protein, synthesis of protein, but we can say that there is no any duplication of DNA, or rather we can say that the cell number remains the same. Okay, not the cell number, but the DNA number actually remains the same. Then if we see in this S phase, so S phase is somewhat a phase where we find that the DNA synthesis occurs. DNA synthesis, clear? And again in this metaphase, that is the M phase, we can say in the M phase there are, or if we see in the metaphase, what happens is metaphase, we find that if this is the particular structure over here and this is the metaphase plate, and all the chromosomes comes and align over here with no division. Okay, so the chromosome comes and align over here along with the spindle fiber attached to it from both the ends or from both the poles, clear? Like this we find the structures. So basically we can say that in G1, G2 and M phase, there is no increase or decrease in the DNA, and it remains the same. So here we have the S phase. So S phase is not the correct answer. So this is wrong. So therefore 1 and 3 will be wrong. And we know that in the anaphase and telophase, there is the division of the chromosome. Here we find division. Division of what? Of the chromosome. And hence we can say that here also the DNA number is not constant, hence this is also wrong. So the only correct answer is G1, G2 and M phase. So hope this answer helps you. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.